The brand Camellia really began in the French market in New Orleans. One of my grandfathers had a booth there.
He started the company back in 1923. We developed Camellia Brand because it was my mother's favorite flower.
It was not only her favorite flower, but it was also a symbol of something better than the norm.
We're family owned and operated. We're all here for a common goal to carry on the same values that were put in place generations ago.
As a family and a company and a brand that's been doing this for 100 years, our brand became synonymous with this iconic dish. It's not just red beans, it's camellia beans. We're really a part of a culture and part of a city.